Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jas Nicole and I'm here with another video. In today's video, I am going to be decluttering and organizing all my hair products. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but it low-key is, and that's saying a lot coming from me because I feel like I can never have too much hair products, but people tell me I have too many hair products. But I do need to declutter and kind of organize it just because like it's kind of out of whack right now, and I want to have some like uniformity to it. Is that a word? Uniformity? I want it to look more uniformed. And so I am going to be doing that. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the push notification button so you can see when I upload a next video. I have a lot of hair products because one, I buy a lot of hair products, and two, I'm also subscribed to Curlbox. And so Curlbox is like this monthly subscription box where you get different natural hair products for like $25 every month, and I love it because it allows me to like try out new products, see what works with my hair. So Curlbox is the reason why I end up with a lot of products, because a lot of these I've accumulated over the last like year from all the different boxes. And then sometimes they have like non-subscription boxes that I can't pass up and I have to buy. Either way, this is not about Curlbox. This is about me decluttering and going through my products. And why this is so important is there's some products that I feel like I've had for over a year, and like everything in life, hair products do expire. They last a little bit longer, so some last for like 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, it just depends. So it's important to look on like your bottles to see when your products expired. So I'm gonna go through and like basically make a pile for all of the products that are old and I can't use anymore, and then I'm gonna make a pile for the products that are not old, they're still good, but I just don't use them. So I may either like give them away to family and friends, or I may donate them. I don't know, can you donate like hair products? Anyway, I'll figure it out. And then I'm gonna have a pile of the products that I'm gonna keep. The easiest way for me to do this, I have this like little table right here, and so what I'm gonna do is I am just going to start from the first row. What's that first row? First shelf. And I'm gonna start on the first shelf, and I am going to just kind of go through, see what products are old, which ones I should throw away, all that fun stuff, and then I'm gonna work my way down. And so let's get started. So I actually started from the bottom instead of the top shelf. But what I'm doing is I am just looking at all of the expiration dates on my products, and luckily most of the Afro Sheen products had like the little, it's like a little jar, and it'll say like 12M for like 12 months, or you know 18M for 18 months, and so on and so forth. And so I was able to kind of look at the different expiration dates, and I'm also like checking the actual like jars, just to make sure like, you know, if anything is like looking weird, to throw that away, and also seeing like how much of the product is left to determine if I need to like get rid of it, or if it is salvageable and able to be given away to someone. bit of OCD, and I like to make sure that all of my products are grouped together. So I have all of the Afro Sheen together, all of the Aunt Jackie's together, all of the Maui products together. It just does not sit well with me when my products are not together. So here I am using my phone to just look up on the Curlbox website the month that I got certain products, and that's just easier for me to actually determine what 12 months from the time that I got the product to now looks like. And so that was just a really quick way for me to figure out which products to keep. So I had to change my pants because I'm hashtag clumsy and spilled an oil all over myself and the carpet. So I had to change my pants. So that's why you see me in shorts now. Alrighty, so as you can see, I went ahead and got all of the hair products out. Here is all of the hair products that I am keeping. These are all of the products that I am going to probably just see if anyone wants, because I don't, either like I haven't used them or I've only used them once, or I don't like how they feel in my hair when I use them, so maybe somebody else with different hair might like it. And then over here are the products that I am going to be throwing away. So I was looking up online, like, how do you know if something is like no longer like good for your hair? So I've had this strengthening mask for over 3 years, and let me show you all the inside. Like, it says if it starts to look chunky that it's no longer good for your hair. I haven't even touched this, like, this deep conditioner in so long. No, that's a lie. Oh my gosh, I did use it like a couple of, like, maybe a month or two ago. Oh my gosh, I'm kind of glad my hair didn't fall out. But yeah, it's a little bit chunky. I've had this for like almost 2.5 years, so I think it's time for it to go. So here I am just going through the 2 bins at the bottom of my bookshelf. There was just random stuff in there, so I wanted to make sure that I decluttered those as well. So here I have the Curlbox cards, and basically they're the cards that detail all of the information on the products that come in each subscription box. So I'm just going to organize them by month and year, and then throw away the ones that I don't need. So now that I have gone through all of the bins, now I'm just stacking the products back on the shelf. And I don't know what made me decide to do this, but I tried to do it by the type of product, and that did not work. It took me getting to this point to realize that I did not like the way this looked, and I had to basically kind of start all over again with the reorganization. So I decided to just organize all of the products by brand. That just made my life so much easier, and that way if I wanted to use a certain product, like, I know which are my favorite ones, and I can just go to the actual brand and look for the product instead of looking at that monstrosity. Wow, that's not even how you say that, but it just was not working, so I had to change it to go by the brand and not by the type of product. Alrighty, so we are looking good. Finally got them organized. So I have my Aunt Jackie's, which you can definitely tell I love the grapeseed collection. My Pattern Beauty, Afro Sheen, Dove Amplified Textures, Cream of Nature, Shea Moisture, Maui products. And then in this aisle, not aisle, in this shelf, I just did like my oils that like don't have a family to go to essentially. And some random miscellaneous stuff from Dark and Lovely, and then some stuff from ORS, I guess. This shelf is smaller, so I'm glad I was able to kind of like get just like the random stuff to fit. My OCD was acting up a little bit, so well, here is kind of like all of the random other hair products that don't have a home. I feel so bad for them. They're all by themselves, but not really. And then of course Mael products, and then here is this one and only argan oil that I just got in the November curl box subscription box. So let me know if you have either heard of this brand or if you've used this brand down in the comments below. And then of course I got my wig and just some like miscellaneous stuff and my little bonnet dryer attachment. And in here is just my makeup bags and then all of my collection cards for all of the curl boxes that I've received. So it's not perfect, but it'll do. I'm definitely gonna have to probably redo this whenever I get more hair products, but for now it looks uniformed and organized, and hopefully I won't have to get another shelf, but who knows, the way I purchase hair products, I just might. So that is all that I have for you all today. Thank you for watching me declutter and organize my natural hair products. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below how many hair products do you have, because I as you can see, I have a lot, but I'd love to know like kind of what range of number of hair products you have. So let me know down in the comments below. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the push notification button. Until next time, bye!